In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Cash App for online purchases. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about some of the main methods in which you will be able to use your Cash App balance for online purchases. First, I want to address the obvious method that you probably know already, which is by using the Cash App card. If you have a cash card, you will be able to pay using your card anywhere that debit or credit cards are accepted. All that you have to do is proceed to checkout. So for example, I'm buying Robux on Roblox and I selected the debit card option. In here, I can input the card information, so the card number, expiration date, and security code. All of these can be found in the latest version of Cash App as long as you switch over to the card tab where you can copy these details. Like I said, this is the simplest way to use Cash App for online purchases, and it is going to work anywhere that debit card payments are accepted. Alternatively, you can also choose other options, and one of them I'm gonna highlight in this video, but just keep that in mind. This is the simplest way to do it, and as long as you have enough balance, the order should go through. The other one that is starting to get more popular is Cash App Pay. So as you can see, if you visit the official Cash App website at cash.app, you will find more information about the service. Basically, you don't have to go through the process of acquiring a card. As long as you have enough balance and you have the latest version of Cash App, and Cash App Pay is available as a payment method, you will be able to choose it and finish making this payment through the mobile app by scanning a QR code. These are some examples of stores that use Cash App Pay. So I opened up American Eagle and I went to checkout, and you will find Cash App Pay in here. Now the process is super simple. Like I said, you just select Cash App Pay, input your phone number over here, and proceed to checkout. A QR code is going to be generated and you need to scan it on the latest version of Cash App, and it needs to match this phone number that you input here. As long as you choose Cash App Pay or you use your cash card, you will be able to use Cash App for online purchases. The only problem with Cash App Pay is that it is not widely available as of the time that I'm recording this video. So even though you can find Cash App Pay as a payment option, it is not nearly as popular as just using your Cash App card. Regardless of which option you choose, make sure you have enough balance and you will be good to go for any purchases made using Cash App. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cash App for online purchases. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.